Hi, I'm John with Rockland Technologies, and today I'll be showing you how to set up new Verizon service for your ALFA 4G-Camp Pro 2 Plus. Head to the Verizon.com website and go up to the Shop menu. Choose the unlimited plan option or prepaid. We are going to do unlimited for this video. Choose one line. Select Start with Plan and then New Customer. Verify you want just one line of service and then enter your zip code. Select the desired plan, then click Bring My Own Device. For the IMEI, because this is not a Verizon manufactured device, you cannot enter the IMEI of the 4G-Camp Pro. Instead, if you have a Verizon compatible phone, enter the IMEI of your phone. This does not mean that the new service will only work on your phone. It will work with the Camp Pro. We just need to enter your phone's IMEI to get past this step. If you do not have a Verizon phone, call us for a temporary IMEI number that you can use to get past this step. Once you input the IMEI and see this success message, click Next. Add a SIM card to cart. You will need a new SIM card to put into your 4G-Camp Pro. Decline device protection. Decline device protection. Click No. Click Continue to Summary. Scroll down and click on Go to Cart to begin checkout. When your SIM card arrives, activate it, and then you will be able to use it in your ALFA 4G-Camp Pro 2 Plus.